Welcome to the AI Comparer. Today we're going to be discussing how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the financial world and how it's changing the way we do business. The financial world is constantly evolving, and AI is at the forefront of this change. From automated investment management to virtual financial advisors, AI is being integrated into a wide range of financial services. One of the most exciting ways that AI is being used in finance is through automated investment management. AI-powered systems can analyze market trends, make investment decisions and manage portfolios, allowing individuals and institutions to make better informed decisions about their money. AI is also being used to create virtual financial advisors that can provide personalized financial advice to individual investors. These virtual advisors can analyze an investor's financial situation and recommend investment strategies, making financial planning more accessible and efficient. AI is being used in fraud detection to identify suspicious activity and prevent financial loss. This allows financial institutions to reduce the risk of fraud and protect their customers. AI is also being used in loan processing to automate the process of underwriting loans. This allows financial institutions to process loans more quickly and at a lower cost. AI is also being used in financial forecasting to predict future market trends and financial performance. This allows financial institutions to make more informed decisions and prepare for potential risks. AI is transforming the financial world, improving the way we do business and manage our money. From automated investment management to virtual financial advisors, AI is making financial services more efficient and accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.